How to recover a deleted audible audiobook. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you'll be learning how you can recover a deleted audible audiobook. And how do you do so? The first step is to launch the Audible app, or you can visit the Audible website and then sign in into your account. And then once you're signed in and you're brought to the account page, the next step is for you to move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the library option. Once you're on your libraries page, you'll see all of your audiobooks here. Then if the deleted audiobook is not showing up, try refreshing your library. Keep on refreshing your library until you can see the book. And if the audiobook still doesn't appear, the next thing you should do is to go to your account details and move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, and then on your profiles page you'll see different options. Move to the top right corner and click on your settings icon. Alright, and on the settings page, ensure you locate purchase history. If you cannot find it here, just go to your website and then log in into your account using the website. All right, and then click on purchase history, and by clicking on purchase history you will see the audiobook there. Once you can see it there, click on the download option and then you can re-download the deleted audiobook from there. So that is it. So head over to your purchase history and we download the audible book. Thank you for watching and have a good day.